Hi friends, welcome back. Today we will be learning how to uh, do a project setup using Git. So here I am using Git. Same you can go with Bitbucket. So let's start. I am creating a new repository. Say test. You can create using your own name. So this should not be duplicated. Okay. In description you can see it's optional. It will create a readme file here. Uh, here you are having option of doing public or private. So public GitHub repository will be shown to everyone. However, for private you will be only seeing the repository. Here we can add a readme file or a git ignore file. A git ignore file is used when we don't want to push any changes in the branch. I will make clear the concept of branch as well. Here you can add a license. So let's create a very blank repository here. Okay. Now see, here you have created a repository called test. Now you have to do some setups into your code while creating the git. See, here we have created the repository, right? Suppose we are having a code here and we want to, this is a project, this is my demo project. Here the project structure is, we have environment, we have git command text which is empty. I will write some git commands here and will attach this in the video. And now we are having a main file. This is very basic file. The code will be created once I will create a new project in pycharm. So I want to add this project into the git. So here two thing is important. One is git remote. So here there is no git initiated. So I will open up command prompt here and I will write git init. So you can say git initialize. This is a local git, guys. So when we want to add this project here, we have to add the branch. So this is the git that is on the browser. So we have to add this link here in the project. Okay. So we will copy git remote add origin and your git repository. So now this project is linked with the github, right? Now this project, if you will see here, branch, using the command git branch. So there is nothing git branch. Okay, so let's add a branch, git checkout -p. This is for creating a new branch. However, see, I can do coding in the test main. See, here you can use this git branch m main. Okay, so if you will be doing this, I will do a step by step. So if you will write this code git branch -m main, so you will be in the branch main. Still it's not there, so let's add some files to check. To add all the files in the repository, you will need git add -a. So -a, it's called, sometimes we can say -a, but -a tag will stand for adding entire project. So suppose if you are deleting command.txt, okay, or you are making some changes in the main file, even no .venv file, virtual environment file will be added as well. So what we will do, we will not add virtual environment file. For that we will create a file called git ignore. There is nothing called extension, nothing is there. So let's do it. It's git ignore. We will see a file here, In git ignore we will be writing dot .venv. If this is a file, we will just left like this, but if you want to comment like a folder, so this is for folder path. So this dot .venv we want to be going to the main branch. Again, I don't want to. Now it's okay, we can upload anything. So now I will be adding all the codes here. I will make you understand. Git add, I will say main.py. Okay, then I will, after adding, you always have to commit with a message. Okay, so this is my first commit. Okay, this is my first commit. Sorry for the spelling mistake if I am doing. So you can see we are having some options. We can use git commit global user, so you can set all these steps. Okay, now let's have a look. I have committed the git. If you will see git status, there is untracked files dot idea, git ignore, git command text, because I have only added main.py. Let's add entire file. So I will doing git add -a. So now if we will check the status, all the files has been added except the venv, because we have restricted venv in our git ignore. Now we have all the files. Let's do git push origin. So this command will push the code on the browser main, because we are having main cannot be resolved to branch. Let's go what we are missing. So we committed git branch -m, we did. Okay, now we will be looking into adding this repository, git remote add. Okay, so we are having, so let's push this code into our main repository. Now we are okay to go. So if you will look git branch, we can see our main branch. Suppose we have to create a new branch here. So we will be using git checkout -p. It will create -p will create a new branch here. Say my name is Honey, so I will be creating like Honey. Or let's do it simple. Let's create it as dev. Okay, so now, so if you will check git branch, it will show you 2 branches, right? But if you will be looking here, let's refresh the page. See, we are having main.py in here, because we just added main.py here, not the all code. Let's do for all code. Again, see, we can't see any branch here, but in local we have the dev branch. So I will be merging all the files from main branch into the dev branch. So for that, let's use, now we are on dev branch. You can see here it's green. So I will be pulling all data from main. Git pull origin main. Now see, so dev and main branch are same. Now let's add, let's commit added to dev branch. Okay, so now we have all the steps, and I will be pushing git push. Now this time we'll doing push to branch dev. Okay, now so after pushing this, we can see a branch here called dev. See, and in dev we will be finding all the codes. See, in the main file we just push the main file, and we have dev branch with all the entire code. So how we will be merging the conflicts, how we will be pulling the data, we will be showing in the next video. So that's it for today. You can add your questions in the comment. Thank you.